the best way to format AI content for user engagement. So I'm just going to show you how to format the AI content. So the first thing first, what you need is, so if you go and ask ChatGPT to write a blog 500 words and trip to Vatican City, it will write some generic content. So a trip to Vatican City is very much kind. The funny thing is how small it is, you can literally walk in. But if you add some personalization, first person perspective, add experience, simple local English language, make it conversational but formal, describe the scenario surrounding naturally throughout the article. Now, if you go and read this article, this is how it goes. I still remember morning I visited Vatican City. It was one of those calm Roman mornings when the air feels fresh and the streets are slowly filled with people. I already heard a lot about people, the art history, churches, but honestly I didn't expect the feeling I got when I actually see this. How engaging is this? Now, in order to, if you use generic chatbots like ChatGPT or Claude, you need to manually put this one by one. But instead, if you use Wow, it can already humanize and personalize everything for you. You just have to go into the dashboard, and once you go into the dashboard, you will see something called customization, and here click on knowledge base and click on create knowledge base. Click on create knowledge base. You can name the knowledge base, and once you are here, click on add asset. Once you click on add asset, in the text I can write all these things and click on add asset. I can also add as a PDF, website, text document. I can also add competitors URL, okay, and name it. So this is how you automate, formatting AI content for user engagement.